couple things in the kitchen today to get it nice and fresh for the spring. One of the things I'm going to tackle is this Tupperware area down here. It is a royal mess and I can't stand it. Like, our daughter puts away, she empties the dishwasher and it ends up like this. So I need to give her a lesson on how to put Tupperware away. So that's one of the things I'll be doing today. I would also, I have my little list over here. I already did the fridge. I'm going to do the microwave, the oven, the dishwasher, and our Tupperware. So if you need some motivation in cleaning your kitchen this spring, then stay tuned and follow along with me.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go.
So I recently painted the inside of my cabinets white and laid down liner, and it has made such a difference. I actually enjoy opening my cabinets now.
I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
My husband's grandmother got us this for Christmas, and we already had tons of Tupperware, so I only needed a couple of pieces out of here, but gonna add some more to our collection we have up here, and then just put away whatever we don't need back in the basement.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring a bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune to
So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. I hit 2,000 subscribers recently, and let me just tell you, I was jumping for joy when I saw that, and just thank you so much to each and every one of you.
turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Okay, and there is the finished product. I have all the things that we use more often in the front, and I have this that has extra lids in there. I think those are in the dishwasher right now. So yeah, there is my Tupperware storage organization, and I even left some room for extras that show up out of the dishwasher and whatnot. So there it is. My goal is to eventually have all glass Tupperware one of these days, but I think that's something that I'll ask for Christmas. Okay guys, now it's time to clean this disgusting microwave. I have not cleaned it in quite a while, so it definitely is needed. There is crap all up in there, so it is time to get this clean. Okay, so I've been doing this little hack for years now, where I put white vinegar, a little bit of white vinegar, in a bowl with washcloth. Usually I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes to where it gets pretty hot, and I let it sit in there with the steam, and then all the particles that are stuck in the microwave are so much easier to take off. They slide right off, so that's what I'm gonna do.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all.
I have to say, I think this is the longest I've gone without cleaning my microwave, and I've just been so busy and so lazy here lately. I still have like a total disaster in the basement storage area that I've been working on and going through all of Haley's toys, so I guess cleaning the microwave was not on my top of my priority list, so it feels really good to be getting this done.
I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my...
You guys, check out how much cleaner this is. I did have to scrub a little bit harder than I thought it would, but I probably should have let that vinegar sit longer and that wouldn't have been the case. But it's like the best feeling having a nice clean microwave and not seeing food particles all up in there every time you put something in it. We're going to conquer this dishwasher. Now let me tell you, it is phenomenal at cleaning our dishes. It never has spots and there's never anything left on the dishes. So I'm not worried about cleaning the filter, but what does need to be cleaned, and even on the inside of it, it's not dirty and doesn't have anything caked up and yucky, but where it is dirty is all around it. You guys, I don't know how I've gone this long without cleaning this, and I don't even know what it is, but it's just, yeah, it's disgusting, and I am embarrassed that it looks that bad and that it has looked that bad for so long. So that's what we're gonna tackle today, all that grime and gunk and all of this alongside of it too. So yeah, finally I'm going to knock this off my list and get it done. I'm going to be using a mixture of baking soda and mixed with dish soap. I wish I had the Blue Dawn dish soap, but I don't have any, and I'm not about to go to the store right now with all the coronavirus scares going around. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to use a toothbrush and just scrub as much as I can. Okay, if my daughter were here right now, she would think this is extremely satisfying. She was a former slime lover and loves stuff like this. That is kind of satisfying. Let me show you guys. Like, why have I not cleaned this forever ago? Look at this gunk and how easy. Well, this part's not coming off very easy, but watch down here. Ugh, that is so gross. Oh my gosh, why have I let that sit on there for so long? You guys, I am like honestly embarrassed with how dirty this dishwasher was. I thought that it was like thick gunk that was just stuck on there that wouldn't come off so easily, so I just kept putting it off and putting it off. But I'm so glad that this is finally off my list. gosh, you guys, the difference is night and day. Like, check out how clean that is compared to that yucky mess. So satisfying. Oh my gosh, I love cleaning. Let me ask y'all, have you guys ever seen a dishwasher that had buildup like that on the side? Like, I don't even know how that was caused, so let me know if you guys have ever seen anything like that before. Oh my gosh, you guys, will you look at the difference? Like, is that not so satisfying? Having a nice, clean dishwasher. Like, I'm never gonna let it get that gross again. I mean, it was like that when we moved in, so I don't know. I'm not gonna let that happen again, because that was disgusting, and this is so much better to look at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it will give you some encouragement to go clean your dishwasher if it is looking yucky. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. I plan on uploading tons of cleaning videos now that I'm quarantined at home. I love making them, so yeah, make sure you subscribe if you want to see more, and like this video if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!